Here's how to see all the background running apps on Android. Now, on your Android phone, the first thing we need to do is get into your settings. Within your settings, we need to turn on developer mode to be able to see this. So to be able to turn that on, let's go to the very bottom. And within About Phone, we need to scroll down to Software Information. Now, developer mode is hidden within the build. So we need to tap on that a bunch of times. So you can see here, build number. I can keep tapping on this. And then you'll be able to see you're 4 taps away, 3 taps away, 2, 1, and now I'm in developer mode. I do need to enter in the password for my phone and hit OK to allow developer mode. Now that I've turned on that developer mode, it opens up a bunch of added options, including seeing which apps are running in the background and stopping them if I want to. Now let's go back out of here to the very beginning of your settings. At the very bottom of the settings, you'll be able to see a new option, Developer Options. Within here, you can see, again, is a long list of various options. You can scroll through this list and see all of the various things on here, but what we're specifically looking for is running services. This shows you all of the apps that are running in the background. On any of these, if they're taking up a lot of memory or storage or anything like that, you can always just tap on the app and then you can choose to stop it or report it if it's basically having issues or there's bugs in that app.